Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the monthly income requirement associated with Thai retirement visas. And we're talking about this because I've gotten a lot of correspondence. I made other videos contemporaneously with this one where we discuss this in even more detail, but we're specifically discussing this topic in the context of income requirements associated with the Thai retirement visa. And I'm making this primarily, I came upon this information some time back, and I held off on talking about it because I wanted to kind of wrap my head around what was going on so I could kind of discuss it cogently and get a full bird's eye view of where we're at practically right now. Because the purpose of this channel, I'm not trying to instill fear or concern in people unnecessarily. I just want to get the information out. But I got this from 3 or 4 different independent folks that contacted me, sent correspondence, followers of the channel, etc. Were concerned about this overall situation. We're going to go ahead and put up, this all came about due to information posted to the Royal Thai Consulate website in Los Angeles. And that web address is thaiconsulatela.org. And we're going to go ahead and put this on screen. This is non-immigration category O-A, Royal Thai Consulate General, Los Angeles. And if you go down under number 4 under required documents, and then subsection 2 under part 4, you'll see an income certificate, an original copy, with a monthly income of not less than 65,000 baht. Now, as we've seen as my followers, on this channel, folks that watch this channel, that's nothing new. We've seen that before. And I'm going to call this page sort of the old page for purposes specifically of this video. I'm not saying anything's changing. I want to be even clearer. We have not seen any change to the regulatory or policy structure regarding Thai retirement visas. Now, I would put a caveat on that. Based on the information I've seen through this website, we haven't seen it yet. I'm not saying it's coming. In fact, I don't know that it's coming. I don't know why this information is being posted, but it's notable. So, okay, this is the old page if you want. And we all know 65,000 baht, that's the monthly income required. Now, multiple folks have sent me this link. This again is at thaiconsulatela.org and then /en/non-o. NON-O/ as opposed to, and the title is non-O, Royal Thai Consulate General, Los Angeles, as opposed to the other page, non-immigration category O-A, Royal Thai Consulate General, Los Angeles. So as you can see, we're putting this all on screen so you can see exactly what we've been seeing from this website. And again, thaiconsulatela.org. And as you can see, the non-Thai nationals who wish to obtain a retirement visa or long stay visa, so O, OA, OX, reentry permits. And then when we get back here under non-immigrant visa category O-A, specifically the requirements associated therewith, and you go to number 7 here, you'll see applicant must have a bank deposit of, and they say no less than 1.2 million baht, made another video on that already. But under section 7.2, an income certificate, an original copy, with a monthly income, quote-unquote, pension of not less than 100,000 baht. As you can see, it's right there. Now, I want to go ahead and be clear here. I've been trying to suss this out as best I can before making this video. So, we tried looking into the site. I was trying to kind of get an eye on what was going on internally within the website by looking around. Went ahead and went to Google. We're going to go throw this up on screen. This is the cached version of this page that shows that, more than anything, I just want to verify it was on their website. We weren't being redirected somewhere or something. I don't know how that would happen, but I just wanted to be clear. So again, thaiconsulatela.org /en/non-o/ and this is what we're seeing. Income certificate, an original copy with a monthly income pension of not less than 100,000 baht, as opposed to current rules which dictate 65,000 baht. Couple of things here. I've talked with the Thai attorneys here in our office that deal with Thai retirement visas daily. They have not seen any practical changes, including through the Thai mission to the United States, the consulates associated with the Thai embassy in the US. They have not seen any fundamental changes with respect to these requirements. So let's be clear, it does not, as of the time of this video, look like as a practical matter, these requirements are being enforced this way. We've not seen anything to indicate in the regulatory or policy structure that things are going to change. Now, that stated, this is a website of the Royal Thai Consulate in the United States, specifically LA. It's not something that I would dismiss just out of hand. So what does this mean? I'll be candid with you. I do not precisely know. It simply looks to me like, you know, I kind of think these might be perhaps proposed changes that have not been implemented, that have just been bandied about, not bandied about, but have been discussed, and maybe this has been drawn up, and it was not perhaps not intended to go public. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. I don't know why this exists, and like I said, we've tried to go as deep as we can and figure out, you know, yeah, we've ascertained it's on the website. So, you know, it's something to look at. Again, practically, we're not seeing any changes with respect to this. We're definitely not seeing anything with respect to the Thai immigration apparatus here in the kingdom. Now, I have some thoughts about what I think this might imply longer term. In short, I think we could see changes in the future, and this may be a good sneak peek, if you will, whether intentional or otherwise, as to what might be happening in the months and years ahead, but I can't say for certain what that is. I'm definitely making another video at the same time as this one where I'm going to go into a little bit more of what I've been in some forums, some fora, I've been accused of speculation on things, maybe too much speculation. I don't intentionally want to do that. What I'm hoping is my analysis provides some insight to folks. But long story short, for purposes of this video, as of the time of this video, we have not seen practical fundamental changes to the pension and income requirements associated with any retirement visa sought anywhere, either in Thailand or abroad. Now, that being said, the information that I've just put up here suggests that that may not always be the case, or suggests that there may be discussions out there about changing these requirements. But as of now, they have not changed. So we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.